Hello guys, my name is Diogo and welcome to Quality Luxury Lifestyle. Today I'm going to talk about a super handy software where you can hijack any site and allow you to literally edit and clone sites to your liking. Guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. In this channel, I'm going to show you how to make money with different and various other steps and tools that you would need to achieve your goal. Today I'm going to talk about how you can literally sell your affiliate links to thousands or millions of people just by putting this link in this site. These are the simple steps you need and this software to get your affiliate links selling straight away. With this software, you can clone any large site and put your links, products and offers on it. Literally edit that site in any form you like. Change content, add options form, add call action, add images, add video, add pay button, add pop-up, etc, etc. How amazing and helpful and cost effective. It works in any niche, fully customizable, 100% newbie friendly, dedicated and ongoing support. Literally clone and edit any site, promote products and putting any affiliate offers on the front of the page. Let's watch a short video on this product and see how it works.
Step 1. Enter the URL/link of the site you want to edit. This can be anything you want, even the biggest sites on the internet. Step 2. You'll get a link to the cloned version of the site. Step 3. You'll be able to fully edit the site to your liking and opt-in forms, images, change text, collect payments, and so much more. And Step 4. Use Borrowify's one-click content syndication to post the edited website to the biggest social platforms all at once. That's it. This is as simple as it gets. Just how easy? Well, here's one way to put it. If you can dial a phone number to order a pizza, you can put your link/product/offer on any website of your choice. Now, if you're wondering, is this legal to do? It indeed is. See, you won't be able to directly edit a website like bbc.com. That would be illegal, and Borrowify doesn't let you do that. Instead, Borrowify lets you clone the website and edit it on a separate domain. So instead, your link could be bobsmithmarketing.com, and the BBC website would show up on that link. And there's no boundaries when it comes to editing your clone sites. You can fully edit text to your heart's desire, whether it's editing or deleting. You can do it all with the Borrowify editor. You'll be able to add custom images. This is handy when it comes to adding your product/offer images on the page of big brand sites. You can collect new leads and grow your email list by adding an opt-in form to your clone site. Also, you can use a pop-up to capture lost visitors. Add a strong call to action to increase your conversion rate. Heck, you can even start receiving payments on the clone site. You can add on custom HTML elements, which means the sky's the limit here. With Borrowify, you'll be able to put any offer/link/product on the front page of any website of your choice. Just picture for a second how much more income you can make with the added authority of a big brand site. Does it really get any better than that? Well, you can decide that.
So that's it, guys. That's simple steps. All you need is a simple software to sell your million or to thousands affiliate products just by doing this simple step. Check the link below in the description and just check or read more about it and see for yourself. See if you like or don't like it. If you want to make a difference, you need to take action. If you don't take action, you will never succeed. It's simple as that. If you like this content, guys, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. If you subscribe, you're gonna help me to grow this channel so I can bring you good content. All right? And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.